Unpacking Idioms. Throwing up a red flag, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, throwing up a red flag. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English comprehension and communication skills. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. When someone says something throws up a red flag, they mean it signals a warning or indicates a potential problem. The red flag here symbolizes a universal sign of caution, alerting people to stop, look, and consider the potential dangers or issues ahead. This phrase is commonly used in contexts where someone needs to pay attention to a warning sign that something might not be right. The concept of using a red flag as a warning sign has deep historical roots. Historically, red flags were used in warfare to signal danger or as a sign of defiance. Over time, the use of red flags spread to other areas, including the railways, where a red flag signaled a train to stop. This historical context has evolved into the metaphorical use of the phrase in everyday language, to point out concerns or caution in various situations. Understanding how to use throwing up a red flag in conversation can help you communicate more effectively. Here are a few examples. 1. In relationships, his constant evasion of simple questions threw up a red flag for her, signaling that he might not be as honest as he claims. 2. In the workplace, the company's sudden drop in stock value threw up a red flag for investors, suggesting potential financial troubles. 3. In personal health, the sharp pain in my knee threw up a red flag, prompting me to visit the doctor. Using this phrase appropriately will allow you to express concerns or caution about situations in a nuanced and idiomatic way. Recognizing and acknowledging red flags in any aspect of life can prevent misunderstandings, avoid potential dangers, and help make informed decisions. By paying attention to these warnings, you can navigate through complex situations with a better understanding of the risks involved. This phrase empowers you to articulate your concerns and encourages a culture of awareness and caution. Throwing up a red flag is more than just an idiom. It's a vital communication tool that helps us convey caution and concern. We hope this exploration of its meaning, origins, and usage helps you feel more confident in using the phrase in your own conversations. Remember, recognizing and communicating red flags is essential for effective problem-solving and decision-making. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.